Hi, Nicole here from Backer's Bonus, and today we are going to review this product called MaticPress. Now, this is a all-in-one WordPress management system. It's a 4-part software and training suite that will have everything that you will need to manage and oversee your WordPress agency business, and at the same time, it comes with a full step-by-step training on how exactly you would do that. The main part of this software would be the MaticPress dashboard. Now, within this dashboard, it will allow you to manage all of the WordPress sites that you are handling. Now, to add a new WordPress site, you just need to click on this button that says Register New Website, add a website URL, then the key. Now, for this key, you will be getting a full step-by-step training on how exactly to get this key, and also you can categorize it by group, then click on Submit. Now, once you have added in that WordPress site, you will have a couple of actions here that will be available for you. Now, if you want to directly log in to that WordPress site, you just need to click on this button. Then it should automatically take you to that WordPress admin site. All right, and other options is if you have any important notes that you'd like to add for this particular site, you can click this icon. If you'd like to see all of the notes that you've saved, just click on that here. And if you would like to remove any of these WordPress sites that you are managing, you just need to click on this delete icon. Also, you will find more settings of how you can manage or how you can charge them for WordPress services. You can click on more settings. You will see that you will have additional features here in managing those websites. You have here an update checker, some security options, and some optimization settings as well. And also you can install some marketing elements to those WordPress sites. And these are other management options that you can do as well. Aside from managing the websites, you can also manage the users per websites that you are handling. Also, you can manage the posts and comments for those WordPress sites. Now, for the MaticPress users, this is where you can handle, if you're outsourcing some of the work, this is where you can handle the permissions, and this is where you can create the users and handle the permissions. To add a user, just click on this button, add the name and the information, the email, the password, and also the permissions of which websites they are able to access and what actions they are able to do. All right, then next we have MaticPress Marketing. As I mentioned earlier, this is an additional WordPress service that you can provide to the accounts that you are handling. You can add in the following marketing element. You have pop-ups, sliding pop-ups, headers, and you can also manage different major autoresponders that are integrated with those WordPress sites. Okay, so the second part of this WordPress suite would be the PowerPress. Now, if the main app of MaticPress earlier allows you to manage all of the users or all of the WordPress sites that you are handling, PowerPress is the builder part of the system. And if you scroll down, you will see that there are tons of available done-for-you local templates. So this would be an example of agency. You have here for construction. Also, another example would be for a restaurant. Now, all of these templates are available and you would be able to customize them as well. All right, so that's for the builder part of this software. Okay, so the third part of the software suite would be the MaticPress Invoice Manager. Basically, it allows you to create and manage the invoice that you provide to your clients for the WordPress services that you do. And this would be the main dash, which would show you all of the invoices that you have created. But before I show you how to create a new one, first you'll need to go to the settings part, where you can add in the default settings of your company information. You can add in your logo, the company details, additional notes if you have any, choose the currency. Then click on Save. Next, you have the payment gateway options. You have PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Alipay, and a couple more of other options. Then you would have the default email template settings. You can adjust that here, then click on Save. Next, you have the items. Basically, these are the different types of services that you do and the rates of these services. So to create one, click on Add Item, the type or the name of the service, and the rate of that service. And if you'd like to add a description, then click on Save. Then finally, you have here the taxes settings. All right, so once all of the default settings of your invoice is completed, you can now start creating invoices for your clients. All right, so to create an invoice, click on this button. Then it should take you to the invoice editor page. Type in the name of the client and it should auto-populate here. You'll also find here the invoice transaction information. And also you'll find here the different services that has been charged to the client. So if you'd like to add a different item or if you've done multiple services, click on Add Item. Select it from the drop-down menu and you will see that this service has been automatically added to the invoice and to the total balance as well. So once you've filled out the invoice information, you can check the preview, and once it's ready, send it to the client. All right, so that is for the invoice section of the software suite. And the final part would be the step-by-step training on managing your WordPress agency business. If you would like to get full information of the product, check out the information below this video along with the bonuses that you will be getting. This is going live today at 10 a.m. Eastern Time and increasing in price at 4 p.m. Eastern. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for listening.